you doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for being here with me today. So we are doing quite a few things in this video today. As you guys can see, I decided to just move around some things in my house. I just feel like I want to change out some things in my house. I am like just wanting to do some things in my house. Yeah, you guys know what a house, turning it into a home is like a lifetime type of thing. So I just felt like I wanted to just move my television back to the hole that it was before. So when we bought our TV was on this hole, so I did like it that way. But since I opened up the kitchen wall to create the open plan, I moved it to my fireplace. I did like it this side as well, but now I just want to just freshen up my house, my whole entire home. I just want to do some changes and some freshening up around my space. And then I also just decided to move the mirror on that side because it was but too much for my liking. So after the guys left, I decided just to do a quick tidy up. So I just wiped down that wall that the mirror was on because it was quite dusty since the mirror was mounted onto that wall. So I just wiped it down and just literally just gave my living space a quick tidy, a quick mop. Just the floors was also quite dirty. As I mentioned, I do just really wanna make my house more cozy and more me. So I just really am so excited to just turn so many spaces into what I like this year. I know, like, I really do believe that taking care of what God has given us is a way of thanking Him, you know. So cleaning our houses, making sure that we take care of our homes, and is also a way of just saying thank you to God.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love. Feel the love, love, love. I feel the love. I feel the love. I feel the love. I feel the love.
Okay, guys, a quick small grocery haul. I needed to go to ShopRite just for the dessert. The dessert that I wanted to make. I just needed like this biscuits, this Mari biscuits, but then Abby just picked up a couple of things as well. So we got some cornflakes and then just some couple of snacks for the kids, just some crisp over there for the kids. My favorite, some nuts, some peanuts, some buns, some hot cross buns. My husband loves hot cross buns. I don't really enjoy them so much, but he does. And then the biscuits for the dessert I wanna make, because I have the cream in the fridge, and then also just extra sugar, and then some soap, some Colgate just to top up, and then some peanut butter. The peanut butter. Okay, I'm trying to do this quick for all of them at home. So just some milk as well, some cheese, some yogurt for them, just some mince, and then also just some chicken just to top up um, uh, my cupboards. Yeah, it's so easy. The little ones are taking over as always.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove. Baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see. Bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you.
I actually just bought the cream for this dessert, the whipped cream. I never used it. It was standing in my fridge for like I think 2 weeks, totally just standing there. So I decided to just make the dessert, so that the cream does not go to waste. So I actually needed to go and buy the ingredients for the dessert, but I was not feeling like going out. So my husband went to buy just a few things that I needed for the dessert. So anyway, I am just starting with the dessert, and if you are interested in making this dessert for your family, all you need is some biscuits, some jam, some custard. You can make homemade. You can have homemade custard, or you can buy some store-bought custard. Um, and then also what's the your whipped cream, and then any topping of your choice. I normally use chocolate, but I do sometimes also just switch it up with some strawberries, sometimes some nuts, or even some seeds of your liking. Whatever you want to put on top of the dessert is totally up to you. So we are just putting some jam on the biscuits, just for a little bit more sweetness and flavor. So I am just putting some jam on top of my biscuits, and then add my bananas, and then again some biscuits. It is totally up to you. Sometimes I put the biscuits, a layer of the biscuits, a layer of the bananas, and then custard, and then I do a whole another second layer, the same, exactly the same, biscuits, bananas, custard, and then I have two layers, where my cream is on top, and then my chocolate or anything that I would like to put on top of the dessert. In today's video, while I'm making the dessert today, I did not have a lot of bananas, so I just made one layer of bananas, and then I just added another layer of biscuits, and then my custard. I like to make my custard myself because I feel like I make it quite thin. I don't make it really thick, or stuff, because your custard has to go all the way under, like to the bottom of the bowl, so that all your biscuits can get super soft and it will be enjoyable. The worst thing is if your biscuit is not covered in custard, then your biscuits will be dry at the bottom. So you make sure that your custard is super hot when you are putting it in over your biscuits, so that your biscuits can just get soft, and also your banana should be soft. And then before you put your cream on top of your custard, make sure your custard cool down, otherwise your cream will melt. Okay, if that makes sense. So we put super hot custard on top of our biscuits and banana, so that it can soften up. And then when our custard is cooled down, and then we apply or we insert our cream, and then anything on top of the cream of your liking. So I really hope I was clear. I hope you guys understand, because I am really bad at giving directions and instructions, but I do hope you guys understand.
Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my
Really do appreciate you guys being here. We are almost at the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here, your presence, your time, your comments, just the love that you give me, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here with me and consistently watching my videos. I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving before anything emotional too soon. Got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all.